So hello everyone. Today we have a job update from ServiceNow and it is a associate software quality engineer role. And if you look at here, it is early in career. That means freshers can apply for this role. And the job location is Hyderabad. Now let's see the job description of this role. You should be maintaining the existing automation test framework. You will collect and report the quality metrics from the test execution, and you will work with the developers to design the specific testing strategies for the features that is being developed, and you will automate them. And then you will create a comprehensive test plan, you will execute and automate them. And then you will support the engineering organizations in troubleshooting or addressing the issues with the application, and you will be developing or testing the environments. Now let's see the qualification that is required for this role. And if you see here, they have mentioned that is 0 plus years of experience with the technologies that is relevant to service now. That means you should have like zero experience means that you are a fresher. So you should have the experience with the technologies that is relevant to service now. And you need to have the knowledge of programming or scripting languages such as JavaScript, Python or Ruby. And you need to have a high level of creativity and quick problem solving capabilities, and you should have the ability to test a system using techniques such as unit testing. You should run manual test cases, you should design an integration versus unit versus manual strategy, you will design a test reporting system, you will run a load testing, and then you will figure out what to benchmark. Also you need to have some working knowledge and ability to use the tools such as IDE, debugger, build tools, source control, ServiceNow instances, profilers, system administrator, Unix tool to assist with the daily task. If you don't know any of these tools or programming languages, try to learn it now, and please include those skills if you know in your resume and apply for this role. That will increase your chances of getting selected into this company. And that's the end of this video. And if you have any other doubts, please let us know in the comment section. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends.